Welcome back to our channel where we share AI hacks to level up your creative game. Today, I'm showing you how to unlock Canva Pro for free. No hacks, no shady downloads. I'll show you exactly how to join a Canva Pro team using Bingo Tingo that takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get straight into it. Before anything else, make sure you're signed into your Canva account. If you don't have one, create one because it's free. Next, you search for bingotingo.com on your web browser. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the home page, scroll until you see a section titled How to Use Canva. Then you click on it. You might see a few ads, just close them until you're redirected to a page where you see the heading Best Social Media Platforms. Scroll to the bottom of that page and you see a 60 seconds countdown timer. Wait for it to hit 0. Don't refresh or click anything yet. Once that timer ends, a download button will appear. Click on it. Remember to close any ads you might see. Then you land on a page with an artist name. Mine is Kathleen Callum. This name represents the Canva Pro team that you're about to join. You might see a different name when you're trying this out. Click the Get Here button. Again, remember to close any ads that pop up. Eventually, you'll be redirected to a Canva web page with a welcome message. And that's it. You've joined a Canva Pro team. You now have access to all premium features. Bonus tip: your designs are completely private. Even though you are on a shared team, no one else can see your work, and you can't see theirs either. It's like having your own pro account. So sometimes you might run into issues like the team being full or the team reverting to a free plan. If that happens, don't panic. Just refresh the Bingo Tingo site again and try again. New teams are added regularly, so you can always rejoin another pro workspace. And that's it. You've just unlocked Canva Pro without spending a dime. If this helped you, give it a like, share to your fellow creators, and subscribe for more digital hacks. See you in my next video. Bye.